Approach the spot where you want to park while getting as close to the left as possible and put your flasher to the right. In every situation where you want to park to the right entering from the front, you should do this if you have enough room to do so. By doing it, you're distancing yourself from the vehicles on the right, therefore you'll be able to position your vehicle as straight as possible before entering, which will make the whole maneuver a lot easier. That's why sometimes you see large vehicles like trucks or buses doing this when turning right in tight spots. By getting as much distance as possible between them and the turn, they're able to enter their lane with the vehicle in a straighter position. So the same principle applies here. Now align your right mirror a bit before the line, so more or less with the left rear light of the car on your right. For a longer vehicle, align it a bit before the light, and for a smaller vehicle, align it a bit after. Now do your verifications, central mirror, right side mirror and blind spot to the right, and if it's safe to go, turn your steering wheel completely to the right while moving slowly. When your car is more or less aligned with the cars on your sides, turn the wheel 1.5 turn to the left to straighten the wheels and keep on moving slowly until you fit in the spot. You can check out my other videos on 45-degree parking, the links will be in the video description. I hope you liked this video, thanks for watching.